Hi, I'm Chad. Let's talk about frost and freeze damage in your St. Augustine grass. First off, it's okay. The grass looks like crap, but it can withstand it, it's okay. You're gonna see a lot of this. See how purple it is? You're gonna see a lot of purpling and yellowing and things like that all throughout the lawn. It's gonna give it this nasty brown, dry, crunchy look. The grass is gonna look awful, but that's okay. Now let's go into this quickly. The best thing to do is not gonna be much at all. Stay off the lawn, prevent traffic, don't mow if you don't need to. And very importantly, the best things you can do is just keep adding potassium and humic acid. Don't fertilize yet. Wait for spring. Now, if you're somewhere in Florida or Texas that got snow, St. Augustine isn't built from snow, and it can definitely do a little more damage than normal. When you just get these frosts and freeze, that's pretty normal. Just make sure to do potassium and humic throughout the winter time, and once spring comes in your area, which I have videos about to know what the good timing is, just fertilize as normal. If it's a colder winter, it may take some time for the lawn to bounce back, but be patient with it. Don't over fertilize. Now, snow or very severe winter freezes, you may need to do a little bit more, and not now. Now's the time to just relax, let the lawn be, but in the proper springtime. And that's gonna look different for you. And you can check out my springtime fertilization video below to get a good time of when you should apply. But what you should do is apply your spring fertilizer and look, maybe add a little bit more 30 days down the road. So do your normal spring fertilization, but I like for St. Augustine grass, a 24-211, 24-011, a 16-4-8, 16-0-8, things like that. Twice as much nitrogen, half the amount of potassium, but I wouldn't go over any more than 24% nitrogen. And make sure it's a slow release fertilizer. I have links on Amazon below of those fertilizers, because you want to grow that damage out and get it going. And a damage like this may take a little bit longer, but I wouldn't use any extra fertilizer in damage like this. Now, snow damage, I would probably wait 30 days and apply a bit more fertilizer after. But the main reason for this video is to be patient now, stick with your potassium and humic, and that's gonna allow it in the springtime to come back better. And then spring fertilizer makes it very important to wait 30 days. If you get no results and you wanna do more 2 weeks, no. It's very important to make sure you wait the 30 days to reapply, and don't reapply the full rate. Apply half the rate to get it to grow out. That's it for now. Enjoy your uniquely colored St. Augustine grass. You know, everyone in these areas say the only type of plants there are green. Well, now your grass is purple, red, and yellow. So you've got some color in the yard. Just enjoy it. If you have any questions below, click the link. Also, please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate the support. And email me at turforganics904@gmail.com for my DIY lawn kits and online lawn consultations. Everyone have a great rest of your day.